unicorn and a dinosaur. Make it a little exciting. Stop 7. Oh, there's a bench. Looks like it's a little bit of trouble. To the stream. There's no bridge. Sadie's gonna drink some water. My dirty water dog, but that looks pretty refreshing. Ooh. Looks like that. Oh, probably a dog. Bear tracks. Make this exciting. No, up this way, Leia. We're not going down there. You drink, but we're going to cross over. I got to try to step on the... I have no balance, and my legs are shot. So I think I'll be able to step on this. Hoo-hoo-hoo. I'll step on that. And as long as it doesn't crack. Come on, girl. We're going to come over. That was easy. Oh, it looks pretty wet around here. This is the wetlands. Let's try to do this. Glad I have my boots on. Always have my boots on when I walk in the woods. Don't need your feet eaten up. Keeps ticks off your ankles. Got high socks underneath my pants. And you definitely don't want to cut yourself up. I guess this is the right way. It's not mapped anymore. This is wetness makes bugs. Unbelievable. That's a tough trail. I don't know if I went the right way. You're right, I don't see any trail. Now you know how I got in trouble hiking. Where's the trail? Let's see if I can go on my map. There's a trail here. Hey Siri, Wall Township Nature Walk. Siri not available. I think I got lost on a nature walk. No, come on girl, come back. I thought that was a pretty tough, a deer. Oh, nature's nature. We saw a wild animal. All right, where am I going? Anybody get me out of here? Now you know how I got in trouble. Night hiking. I get lost in the daytime. I'm gonna go back, but I think it is here. I don't think there's anywhere to go. There's a worm. And this is muddy. I don't think this would be a nice nature walk. Don't pull me, Leia. You'll knock me down. Oh, this is hard. I got my balance. I don't have balance. Oh, Daddy's worried. I'm going to try my balance. Here I go, Leia. Ready? I haven't done this. I usually crawl across logs. Hey, that was pretty good. That was the most log I walked in a while. You got back to your stream. Dog poop bags, that's not nice, but at least it's not, it'd be better off in the ground for fertilizer. Let me go back up. Whoa! That was a nice diversion, because here's stop 7. And what I didn't do was turn around and look behind me. Here we go. This will be stop 8. Definitely need to change my name to Stupid Stuff He Does. No, this is 6. Nope, this is going back. All right. This is 7, and it looks like I was going the right way. Yeah, because the branch was there. Ah, here we go to the right. I did get lost. Stop it. chatter of the woodland birds. Hope you can read it. She's very friendly. Blind, deaf, chill.